to slip on some clothes, slip on what I had on yesterday just to walk the doggy, because it is below 40 degrees right now. It's freezing cold, and I'm going to make myself some pancakes. You kind of see back there. Make myself some banana pancakes, and no, I did not get up at 6 today. My body has been so tired. Like, it's been exhausted ever since I finished that business course to finish my business plan and everything. All I can do is give myself grace, you know, because what matters is that I'm trying, and that I'm trying to get up, and that I'm trying to change each and every day, and I'm pushing myself forward towards it. That's what matters to me the most. So I know that it's a goal, and I'm just going to continue to work at it. Meanwhile, let's make some banana pancakes. Can't eat all this. Okay, back to work. How I look? Cute or not? No, I just put my hair in a quick ponytail. Got a little tank top on because it's hot as heck in here in the oven. Warmed up this whole entire apartment. It's so hot. So just wearing something a little simple. And I'm trying to get this computer to work. Okay, there we go. Now I'm hoping that I can get some stuff done. There's a couple of inventory coming from, I think it was in Ohio. It comes from Ohio, then it will come to me, then I can ship it to Amazon and ship it to their warehouse so they can disperse of the inventories to the people who may need the product. Now, before I get to that part of shipping it to Amazon, my thing is I got to get this living room and, as you can see, this junk over here together. So I'm thinking about this weekend shifting my table to another part of my place, and then moving all the front living room stuff in here, and also shipping the rest of my inventory that's in my living room to Amazon. So that's what we're going to work on today. Today's goal is to work on the Amazon stuff that's in the house right now, ship that all the way off, you know, fix those listings and do all that jazz. New inventory coming won't be as overwhelming and crowding feeling in here, because right now it feels crowded. Candy, stop that, stop. So yeah, that's what I'm going to work on right at this second. I'm going to figure out if the listings that I worked on yesterday, if it went through, because sometimes it takes 24 hours for certain changes to go through. So once that goes through, then I'll can set up for shipment, and I can start putting up these boxes, and I can breathe and ship off all the inventory, y'all. At least most of it. Whatever is left over that I forgot to add to Amazon, I'll add it the next day and ship. But majority of the stuff will be gone, and I can move around, and my doggy can do her little zoomies back and forth and play. So I'm super excited about that. And I'm super excited that I'm this step close to being almost done to shipping stuff to Amazon. This is so teeny close. Like, I could see. I could almost not see. And then boom. That's when everything happens. The polymer cloths, and I feel like I'm missing something. Found the grater. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. This is the beautiful blue rainbow is what I call it. The blue and the greens grater. It comes in like a reusable bag. You can use this for like groceries, for food items, travel. Yeah. Yes, 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 yes. It's on there. Yay. Everything I did, it's on there. Woohoo. Okay. I'm gonna get too excited. Okay, so get some assistance. I gotta get some assistance on one of the products because it did not upload. I'm not sure what product type to put it under, so I have to fix it. I'm not sure what product type. Getting assistance on it. It's lunchtime and I'm hungry, so I'm gonna make my early dinner / lunch. I'll make some zucchini butternut squash soup with some homemade croutons. Boom. This should be moving with the recording. What the fuck? Me. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Roast these over here. What the hell? It's recording my iPad. I'm right here. Focus on my face. Thank you. There we go. I gotta talk some sense into this gimbal. Welcome back to my channel, or if you stayed on this video, thank you for staying here. Yesterday, you guys, I gave my body a break. I just did what it wanted to do yesterday, which was sleep. So I didn't even get to record it because I literally just gave up. My blender wasn't working and I was just like, okay, this is my sign to go to sleep. So that's exactly what I did. I just rested the rest of the other half of the day than what you saw, and I said, oh, damn it. And then, what else did I do? I just watched a little bit of TV, and I think I had my shirt on back. Yes, I do. I had my shirt on backwards. Hold on. Okay. I was wondering why I was so high on my neck. All right, so it's all right. All right, so yeah, yesterday was just a little bit, for me, it was just, I just had to take time. Sometimes you just have those days where you just take time and take a break. Because I got one, like I said, I got one order together where it's ready to be shipped. I just have to label it up. The other half of stuff, it was having a couple of errors and kind of just exhausted me. It took literally the whole entire day, the rest of the day from the video to get that stuff together. And then afterwards, I was like, I'm exhausted. I'm just gonna go to sleep and work on the other half tomorrow to send the other half of inventory. But I did accomplish some stuff this morning. I cleaned up my room, folded some laundry, and a little bit of what I had bought from the grocery store. Front door, I got that stuff situated. So today is the main goal is to really get this other half of inventory Amazon out. And then I think I have one more shipment after that. After that, I'll be done with the Amazon of the physical products being here. After that, I shipped the last stuff off. I think I'm gonna start decorating. My goal is, I'll make another separate video about this too, but my goal is to have my own kitchenware inside of my store. So I haven't been able to really do that, being in the process of moving and all that jazz. So I wanna really decorate my kitchen with my kitchenware and my products. So I'll be doing that slowly and surely, but we'll get to that. I'll make a whole nother video about that. Probably work on one section at a time, like the refrigerator, the stove, then the cabinets and everything. But yeah, that's gonna take some time. I need to eat because I'm hungry. That hot shower it put me to sleep. I'm a little sleepy. I'm a little, not hard, I don't know a word for it. I mean, I guess it was a little hard for me to manage considering it's the holiday time and I'm getting orders, then I gotta fix stuff with the store, then I gotta ship stuff to Amazon. So it's taking me day by day, which I'm doing. I'm taking it literally day by day, and I'm going to literally just work on this inventory. Then I can reset my living room. I have to give myself 5 affirmations today to reassure me that I can do it and I can push through, because yesterday, sometimes it gets just a little overwhelming when things don't go my way. But it's okay. Like, I have to give myself grace and be patient with myself and say, hey, okay, you didn't finish it today. You're one step closer to your goal. Like, one step closer. You just gotta do that one more thing, and that one more thing, and that one more thing, and then you're there. Boom. Soon you'll be there, and you can relax, and you can enjoy your place, enjoy your own company, and just, still eat good and everything, because eating good ain't a problem for me. I can still eat even when I got a lot of stuff going on. But I think I'm going to do just a simple chicken pot pie, because I really don't feel like cooking today, and it's really quick. So why not? This is one of my favorites. The other flavor I saw at Target and Walmart, they had a tofu flavor, so I can stay away from chicken a little bit, because sometimes I love to eat vegetarian meals. My parents are vegetarians, so me and my brother were like the meat eaters. I'm more of like veggies, salads kind of person. I love that. Bread is my weakness, and chocolates, that is another weakness of mine. But I really love eating homemade pot pies, and the processed ones, of course, too. But these are so similar to the ones that I would probably make for myself. But I definitely want to try the tofu one. Every time I go to the store, it's sold out. So I want to try the tofu one and see how that tastes.